Hey, foodies! If you're tired of your regular oven and want something that'll up your kitchen game in 2025, we've got the perfect picks for you. Whether you're air frying, baking, or just toasting, these toaster ovens are going to make your life so much easier. Let's jump right in and see what's hot this year. Alright, first up, we've got the Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This thing is like a mini kitchen powerhouse. With a whopping 13 different cooking functions, you can air fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, broil, and even slow cook. Basically, if you can dream it, this oven can cook it. Plus, it's got Element IQ technology, which means heat is distributed evenly, so you get that perfect golden crust every time. The BOV900BSS is also pretty spacious. Think 14-pound turkey or a big ol' 9 by 13-inch pan. Whether you're making pizza or prepping for a big family dinner, it's got you covered. One thing to note though, it's on the pricier side, so it's definitely an investment. But trust me, if you love to cook, this one is a keeper. Want to step up your cooking game? Check the description for the link to grab the Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven now. Next up, we've got the HeatMate countertop toaster oven. This one's super compact, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch. Thanks to its graphite heating technology, it heats up in just 0.2 seconds, so you can go from craving to cooking in no time. It's ideal if you've got limited counter space, or if you just want something that heats up quick and gets the job done. This oven's small but mighty, and it's perfect for everyday meals, whether you're toasting a bagel or grilling a quick sandwich. The only downside? It cools down pretty fast once you turn it off, so you'll need to stay on top of your cooking. But for its price and speed, it's definitely worth considering. Looking for a fast and compact toaster oven? Check the description for the link to the HeatMate countertop toaster oven. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart TOA-70 air fryer toaster oven. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one appliance without breaking the bank, this is your guy. It's got 8 cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, grill, and more. It's spacious enough to toast 6 slices of bread or bake a 12-inch pizza, so you've got plenty of room for whatever you're cooking. A minor hiccup is that it doesn't have a preheat function, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, that's not a huge deal. The TOA-70 shines in air frying and grilling, and it's an excellent option for those who want to keep their kitchen clutter-free with an affordable, reliable toaster oven. Want a solid, budget-friendly toaster oven? Check out the Cuisinart TOA-70 in the description below. Next up, the Cosori Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. If you're all about cooking a variety of meals, this one's got it all. With 12 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and more, this oven can handle pretty much anything. It also has a 26-quart capacity, so you can cook larger batches without feeling cramped. And the best part? It comes with 3 accessories and 75 recipes to get you started, so you can immediately start experimenting. The Cosori also has a smart feature that makes it easy to control and adjust your cooking through an app, which is pretty cool if you're the type of person who likes to multitask or control your oven from the couch. Interested in a smart, versatile toaster oven? Check the description for the link to the Cosori Smart 12-in-1 Combo. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about the Ninja DT251 Foodie 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven. This one is XL in every sense. It's got 10 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, and even a digital thermometer for perfect roasts. It also uses true surround convection, so you get evenly cooked food every single time. You can even get up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit on this beast, so it's perfect for crispy golden fries or roasted veggies. If you've got a big family or just love to meal prep, you'll appreciate the fact that it comes with 6 trays to cook a ton of food all at once. It's on the larger side, so if you're working with limited counter space, keep that in mind. But for those with a big family or love to entertain, this is your new best friend. Want to cook like a pro? Check the description for the link to the Ninja DT251 Foodie XL Air Fry Oven. So there you have it, our top toaster ovens of 2025. Whether you're after something super high-tech, budget-friendly, or just super efficient, there's a toaster oven for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find your perfect match. Hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy cooking!